Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Eat, Live and Love. Today's topic is how to read books online for free. Now, if you're anything like me, then you finish books real fast and it becomes kind of an addiction. You become addicted to this habit, and if you ask any bookworm, then you'll get to know that this particular habit can really be an expensive one. So during lockdown, I have realized one thing, that you can read books without physically going to the libraries. Also, you can read books without wasting a lot of money online. I know reading books online does not feel like actually reading proper physical books, but since we can't go out, and for the past 1.5 years we were unable to go out forcefully, so there was no other option other than to read books online. So I have made an extensive research on how you can read books online, since I'm a bookworm and I can't lead my life without reading books every day. So I'm quite addicted to books, and I feel that many of my subscribers out there are also book lovers like me, and I feel that this video will be helpful for all of you. So there are a few websites which has a lot of different varieties of books which you can read online for free. You don't have to waste any money to read books, and you can have this experience just from the comfort of your home. So what's better than that? So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So the first website that I want to talk about is Project Gutenberg. Now, Project Gutenberg is a volunteer-run effort to digitize and to preserve books. So I have come across this website and I found this very interesting and very helpful for bookworm like me. And most of the titles that are available on the platform are in public domain, which means that they are no longer subject to copyright and can be freely distributed. Currently, there are over 60,000 public domain books in this platform. And if you are looking for some classic books, then Project Gutenberg is the one for you. To read the book in your browser, you just need to click Read this book online HTML. There are various options available in all the formats. You just have to choose one which you prefer to read in. Everything is available about the book in the platform. You will be able to read the title of the book. You will be able to see the illustrations inside the book. Everything is right in front of your eyes online. You can also navigate the book using the hyperlinks as well as the table of content, and you can read from any of the chapters that you want to. The world's most loved and adored books are classic books are here. For example, Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen, Frankenstein by Mary Shelley, Vox by Edgar Allan Poe, Mark Twain's Tale of Two Cities, Alice in Wonderland by Lewis Carroll, and so many other classic books are there. And dive right into the platform and make good use of this. And I highly recommend this one. The second platform is Wattpad. Wattpad is perfect for those who are looking for unconventional voices and diverse kind of books. And Wattpad is one of the most popular e-reading websites in the world. It connects over 80 million readers and writers. This site offers and promotes paid story, but there is a huge collection of books which are free and you can read them online. So you just have to sign up to get the access. Use the browse tab just next to the logo to find your favorite genre, and you can choose from a collective and huge collection of books that are there in the website. You can choose from adventure, fiction, LGBTQ, thriller, mystery, anything that suits you. After you select the book from the list of the books that are there, you just have to click on its cover. A pop-up window will appear and you just have to click on the orange button that's there which says read on it, and you're good to go. Please note that this site is ad supported, and also the reading interfaces also has some ads. Number 3 is Bookrix. Bookrix is a platform that offers books from self-published authors as well as various other free ebooks from the public domain. On the top of the list, you will find the most popular categories like literary fiction, thriller, mystery, fantasy, romance, and when you enter any category, you will see that the books are listed according to the popularity. And when you find the book that you want to read, just click on the cover or the title of the book to enter the book details page. To open an online viewer, look for the read book option that's there just next to the title or the cover of the book, and you're good to go. The fourth one is Many Books. Now Many Books is a platform where you find a lot of free public domain books in a very friendly and in a very clean interface. The site is generally ad supported, but the ads are at the bottom of the page, so that doesn't actually annoy you, or it doesn't create any kind of disturbances while you read the book. Many ways is a great way to stay up to date with the new books that are there, and in total there are around 50,000 books that are available in the platform. And a plus point is that each book has a lot of file formats that you generally don't find in other platforms. After you find the book that you want to read, just go to the book's detail page and just click on the read more button, and you're good to go. The reading interface is very clean and very friendly, and you will be very happy with the reading experience, that's for sure. The fifth and the last one is Feed Books. This is yet another cool website for book lovers like me. There are a lot of free public domain books that are available here, and this site is very user friendly, and you can read books in your portable devices anytime, anywhere in the world. Of course, it's free. You can search, browse, and download your ebooks into your portable devices and then read it, and you can download as many as you want. And you can browse books by well-known authors, and I'm sure that you will be very happy with the experience. And all of these websites and platforms I have used myself, and I continue using them till today, because I prefer not to go out for reading books nowadays. Of course, if the situation changes in the next couple of months, I will again go back to reading physical books, because that has got a different charm to it. But till then, you can have the same experiences from the comfort of your home by just clicking on your portable devices and read books online. So hope this video helps a little. If it did so, then please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also, please comment below, and yeah, stay tuned till my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay positive.